Dr. Powell here with weight loss tip number 3. There is a lot of confusion over what the size in calories a meal should be. The quality of the meal will also determine how full you feel as well as how long you will feel satisfied. We tell our patients that we are trying to retrain the muscle of the stomach, that between 250 to 450 calories is what allowed for a meal. This is called muscle memory. There is not a one-size-fits-all. It depends on the size of the individual and the nutritional requirements and their activity level. Once we meet with the individual, we customize it to their needs. Here's some food for thought. Here is a question for you. Who decides what the size of a meal is in this country? Not a portion size or a serving size, but actually the size of a meal. Is there a government agency that decides it? It would be a surprise if there was not one. If you go to a national chain restaurant and you have the following: share a fancy fried appetizer, have 2 pieces of bread they serve you before the meal with butter, have a 12-ounce piece of steak, have a serving of steamed broccoli, have 1 alcoholic drink, and share a dessert, you just consumed 3,600 calories for one meal. If you go to a national chain fast food restaurant and order a number 1 or number 2 meal with a regular soda, that meal could be over 1,500 to 3,000 calories. Even some of the light meals at restaurants can be over 1,000 calories. But here's what is confusing. Go to the frozen food section of your grocery store, and one of those healthy frozen meals that is created by some celebrity chef can only be 160 calories. What's up with that? 160 calories? Seriously, that won't even last you 30 minutes. That's not a meal. It can be very confusing, and if your stomach, which is a bag of muscle with a bunch of stretch and pressure receptors, gets trained to accept 2,000 to 6,000 calories, when it gets empty, it won't be satisfied until it gets that amount of calories again. That is called muscle memory. This is Dr. Ray Powell. Eat right, live right, and feel right.